Guys, this is Shoaib from Allied Solutions, and today we are going to unbox QRAE 3 Personal Wireless 4 Gas Monitor by QRAE Systems. And this model is pump model, and there's another model which is called diffusion model. So let's do this unboxing and let's find out what we get inside the box. So this is the box. QRAE 3 Personal Wireless 4 Gas Monitor branding is mentioned, website address, and some of the key features and package content is mentioned. Wireless key features are: it is wireless access to real-time instrument readings and alarm status from any location, LEL sensor with 55 built-in correction factors. In the package, all the details are mentioned: travel charger, AC adapter, quick start guide, and other documents are mentioned. So let's do this unboxing. So this is the white box. So in the box, first we get the Honeywell instrument kit package list. In the list, we have external filter, QRAE adapter, PC accommodation cable, box sleeves, quick start guide, calibration tube pump model, T-type QRAE 3, insert QRAE 3, and other details. This is a quick start guide, diffusion and pump model, QRAE systems. So what is this? This is PN-M02 calibration tube for pump model type QRAE 3. So this is a power adapter. All connection types, US UK types connection, and this is a power adapter. You can see the details: power supply, input 100 to 240 volt, output is 12 volt, 0.5 ampere, UKCA certification, and all that is mentioned. External filter pack of 3. Okay, this is a powered this travel charger, 12 volts, 0.5 ampere. This is a QRAE 3 relay systems. As you can see, all details are mentioned. PGM 2500 is the model number. Honeywell branding is mentioned, and other details are mentioned. Power USB cord. So let's open it. Self test: 1001, 2001, 3001, 4001, 5001, and so on. Self test is passed. QRAE 3 firmware is mentioned, January 20, 2022. LA sensor store. You have to wait for 50 seconds. So we have other models of gas detector as well, which includes Max XT2, Microlab XL, H2S, and other MX solo systems detectors. Also, we are also dealing in Chinese detectors as well. So if you want this item in Karachi, Pakistan, or you have service, you need services for calibration, you may contact us. So this is it. working fine. So if you like this video, I request you please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.